Hello, I'm Cameron from Global Unboxing. I'm a man with a lot of questions and a lot of things I want to buy. I'm very happy to be here with you today. We're going to be doing some unboxing. I'm so excited because we don't have just one box. We don't have just two boxes. We have 4 boxes we are going to rip open and see what's inside. So without any further ado, let's get down to this unboxing. Oh my gosh, it is jelly! 300,000 of this comes over you, the smell, the taste. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, we've got our first box. It's kind of heavy. It's got like food or rocks in it. I don't know, this is kind of heavy. And I can't tell what it is by shaking it, so we're gonna get right into this. Make sure I don't cut anything. Ooh. Okay, let's put this down here. HemoHim. Okay, right off the bat, you see HemoHim in orange letters right there. Now, my understanding of this, hemo comes from blood, hemoglobin, right? And then him, this isn't doing with like him, her, it. This is actually the Korean word for like power, him, energy, something like that. Let's dig into this one. Okay, wow, there's a lot in here. So, as you can see, the HemoHim, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 10 boxes, mini boxes in here. And if I'm not mistaken, if I open here, you open it, yeah. So inside of each of these individual boxes, there's actually 6 of these packets. So we'll look at some of the highlights. Let's see, let me pull it up here. Okay, so it's saying that it was the top seller for over 7 years in a row. Wow, that is a long, so out of all of Atomy products, this is like their flagship product. But like, how many were sold?
Yeah, sales of more than 300,000 boxes per month.
300,000, like not this 300,000, but like
the whole box itself.
300,000 of this?
Yeah, I know, right? And it is saved 2 trillion won in com sales as well.
That's I don't know, that's a big number.
Yeah, 2 trillion.
That is a lot. So this is a very popular product by any standard that you calculate it. So there is that faith of the customer that people really do believe in the effectiveness of this. Let's see if there are any like reviews on it. So it's saying right here that one of the people that drank this every day, that their nose allergies, like coughing and stuffy nose, that got better. And then someone else is talking about vitality. So when they woke up in the morning, they felt refreshed and their eyes just popped open because this gave them so much more energy. Well, that's definitely something I need. I'm always tired. I never get enough sleep. So if this can help me feel more rested in the morning, that is definitely worth it. But I've got to say, if this doesn't taste good, I don't think you can drink it every day. Like some of these, I've had some of these before. Real talk, okay. I've had some of these kind of health drinks before. Some of them taste really, really bad. PD, you know, I kind of have the taste buds of a child, right?
Yeah, you do, right?
If it doesn't taste good, I'm not going to drink this.
Well, let's jump on it and try, shall we?
Okay. Okay, all right, that's not bad. It has a honey taste. It's a little bitter, PD.
A little bitter.
It's a little bitter.
Okay, then let's try with this.
Okay. This is Atomy Organic Raw Cane Sugar.
Yes.
Ooh. Healthy sweetness, I like that. One. It's a little bitter. I'm not gonna lie, it was a little bitter, so I'm gonna do 2 scoops. I'm gonna stir it up well. Okay, and then I just push this whole thing in.
Yes, and mix it up, stir it.
All right. So let's see how this lightens up the flavor. You know, it's kind of like, you know when you get a cold in the winter and you like want like hot tea with honey or like hot water with honey and lemon, it's kind of that same type of flavor. It's really easy to drink and it like warms you up, feels really good. I could drink this. How often? I could drink this every day. Are you supposed to drink this every day? Ah, okay. It says here that you have one packet, that you have 2 packets every day. So I'm assuming once in the morning and once at night. So in the morning, you know, sometimes you're really busy, so you can't have like an actual breakfast that's gonna push you through the day. So you could like put one of these in your bag. And so like, you know, while you're walking to work or whatever, you can just kind of suck on it really quickly. And then at night, before you go to bed, heat it up with water and some sugar. It's like a really nice warm drink to have before bed so you can relax into a really restful slumber. I like this. All right, next box. All right, it's box number 2. And this one is a bit lighter than the first one. Let's see. Oh, okay, let's see what this says. Atomy Slim Body Applephenon Jelly Stick. Let's open this up and see. Oh, okay, so it is little sticks, kind of firm. It's a firm jelly inside. Let's open it and see. Okay. Put it to the camera. Oh my gosh, it is jelly! Ah! Look at it, it wiggles back and forth. Oh, this is wonderful. Oh, yeah, and it definitely smells like green apple. It smells like candy. Okay, all right. Well, it looks like I'm gonna try this. Let's see what the flavor's like. Like it feels just like a regular jelly. It tastes really good. It has a really like very distinct, strong apple taste. And the thing I like, often with like diet products, they use a lot of artificial sweeteners and you can taste it, right? You can taste that artificial sweetener smell. It doesn't have that at all. This is good. But if it tastes as good, I'm a little curious of like how effective it is. I can't imagine something like this like just working really well. Let's look at what it says. Okay, so it's saying on the Atomy website that green apples actually have about 10 times the amount of polyphenols as regular apples. And if you have 2 of these in a single day, it's like eating 45 green apples. My stomach could not fit 45 green apples even if I ate it over the entire day. So to have that amount of polyphenols in these 2 packages is really great. But if you're eating this, yes, polyphenols are great, but what you're really wanting are the diet effects, right? So Atomy has done some research into this. Let's pull it up here. And it says when they were doing research that people who ate Applephenon every day for 12 weeks saw a decrease in their weight and their waist size, their hip size, their visceral fat in their abdomen. Yeah, that's definitely nice. And then, their overall BMI decreased after the 12 weeks. And then, this is the point. Okay, so even after the 12 weeks were over, they maintained their low weight for another 4 weeks after, even after they stopped eating the Applephenon. That's quite effective. I mean, yes, while you're dieting, it's very easy sometimes to lose weight, but keeping the weight off is the hard part, right? So the fact that this has an effect even after you stop taking it, that's quite great. Can I take these home?
Oh, the rest of it? Oh, yeah, you may take it.
I can?
Yeah.
I mean, you can't sell it.
Yeah, right?
Okay. Oh, God. Okay, it's the 3rd box. It feels like Christmas with all this opening of boxes. Goodness. Okay. Atomy Yangang. Oh, okay. I know what this is. For those of you that don't know what Yangang is, it's kind of it's a traditional East Asian snack or dessert. It's made from red beans. It's a jelly. I really enjoy it. But as you can see here, we have 3 different flavors. We have the original red bean flavor, then we have the walnut flavor, and we have the green tea flavor. So I'm going to start with the original first. Let's check out this Yangang. I really like it. So you can see here, you have to kind of push it up. Let's take a bite. Oh, it's so good. It's got a really good flavor. Oh my goodness. There is a lot of that red bean flavor in here, but it feels really natural. Okay, so it has almost 25% red bean, and it's made with organic sugar. Yeah, you can definitely tell. It's a snack, it's a sweet, but it's not overpowering in its sweetness. It still feels rather natural and good for me. This is good. This would be so good with like tea or coffee.
So we got the tea for you. So do you want to try with the tea as well?
Oh yeah. Ooh, nice. Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. So take a swig of my tea. This is good. All right, so we've got to move on to the other flavors though. So that was the red bean flavor. Now let's try the walnut flavor. All right. Oh, well, the color is a little bit different. So this is the original, right? But this one here, you can see the difference. The walnut is a little more brown, a little bit more brown, little clearer maybe, similar texture. And this has 6.67% walnut. Okay, that's a lot of walnut in here. Let's try it. This is better than the original. I really like this one. This one, it kind of has like a maple syrupy flavor to it. I think because the walnut, it adds that nuttiness to the flavor. Oh, man, this is good. Okay. All right, so let's try the last one. Let's try the green tea. So here it has 0.33% of black sesame and 0.65% of green tea powder, which green tea powder is really strong. So 0.65, this is probably really going to taste a lot like green tea. I feel like I'm in a tea field, you know? Like you go out and you go to harvest the green tea and it just like comes over you, the smell, the taste. This is refreshing. These are good. My goodness. There are 15 of these in here, 3 different flavors. I might send this to my mom. She would really like these. These are really nice. It's already our last box, but they do say that you leave the best for last, right? Well, this product that we're about to look at, I heard is a huge new hit in the country of Malaysia. So let's get into this box and see what we've got here. Okay, so we have here Atomy Bird's Nest Drink. Those are words I've never seen put together before. But apparently, okay, so this is a drink which is made from a bird's nest. I'm drinking this?
Yeah, you're trying it.
Okay, all right. Okay. Oh, from the beginning, the packaging is really nice. It's very luxurious. The box opening experience is very nice. And then, as you can see, we have 5 glass containers. I'll pour it so you can see. 5 glass containers that have a liquid inside of them. Oh my goodness. I've never seen any. And this is bird's nest. This must be like a very, very precious food. So I think we need to look at this and see the history and the effectiveness of it before I actually drink it. So I've pulled up some information here. It says that it's known as a delicacy for beauty and health, which we would all love to have more of. And it says that, it was drank by the Chinese royal family, who knew of it as a good way to make you feel more energetic and to nourish the skin. So this has been proven throughout history to give you better skin and give you more energy. So I am already ready to drink this. So the reason this is so effective is because of something called salicylic acid. And this can be found in a few different things, not just bird's nest, but also salmon, eggs, and breast milk. However, Bird's nest contains so much more of the sialic acid than the other ingredients. It has 168 times more than salmon, 112 times more than eggs, and it says here 75 times more than breast milk. Now, I actually don't know what sialic acid is, so let's look up and see what the actual benefits of sialic acid are. So it says here that the benefits of sialic acid include enhancing learning and memory. It prevents skin aging, it's good for protecting the lungs, and it's also great for expecting mothers, not only for the mother, but also the unborn baby. Okay, that is a lot of benefits. Plus, it's an overall immune system booster, which we all know now that having a healthy immune system is great, not only for your inner health, but your outer health, like your skin and how you look. So, I'm sold. I am ready to drink this. It's exciting, but a little interesting. Yeah, it's not a huge flavor. This is really, if this is as healthy as everything says it is, this is a great way to get all those benefits. So, if you've ever had like an aloe jelly drink, it kind of has that texture, but it doesn't have any of that sweetness. So it has that feeling of aloe jelly. It tastes something like a traditional root tea that you can find here in Korea. This is really nice and refreshing. How many did they sell? You said they sold a lot of these in Malaysia?
Yeah, it was a new hit. So it released at the late December and sold about 7,000 sets just in 4 days.
7,000 of these?
No, the sets. The box, yeah.
7,000? 4 days?
Yeah, that's a lot, right?
I mean, I can understand if it's that good. Why did Malaysia keep this secret? Malaysia, why are you keeping these secrets?
Also, the recording sales of 420 million won so far.
420 million
Won.
in sales?
Yes.
Wow. I mean, I can understand. That must be a huge hit. You know what? That could probably beat the HemoHim record. You know, right now that's Atomy's #1, but I can see this going even better. Wow. So, what other products are made in Malaysia? In what countries are these products made? Are all of these products available everywhere in the world? Ooh, can I send them even to my parents?
If you're that curious, check the brochure out.
Oh, Atomy Profile 2022. Oh. Oh wow, here it says in 2021 they had 1.8 billion US dollars in sales. 16 million members? Okay, apparently this has a lot of information, so I'm definitely gonna have to read it and study up. It has been an absolute pleasure doing today's global unboxing. I really learned a lot about the great products at Atomy, and I know that I'm gonna be learning a lot more. So I'm gonna study up with this brochure. But this is not the last time. I'll be back again next time with many, many more amazing Atomy products. Until then, bye-bye.